Sir Zoy Lubagas, your teacher in science. So we are now in our second quarter. Tapos na po tayo sa first quarter class. So proceed na po tayo sa second quarter. So remind ko lang yung mga hindi pa nakapagpasa ng first quarter, please pasa nyo na yung mga output ninyo together with the score sheet. Okay, so Science 5, Male and Female Reproductive System. Ito yung topic natin for this quarter class with regards sa reproductive system ng lalaki at ng babae. So, pag-aralan natin yung mga reproductive system. Ibig sabihin ng reproductive system class, ito yung organs ng lalaki at babae na kung saan sila ay nakapag-reproduce panibagong tao. Saan yung mga modules niyo class? Sa page 2. Kung nakikita natin dyan, meron sinasabing expectation. So, expectation, ito yung inaasahan, no, sa inyo para malaman at ma-assess ng mga teachers ang inyong mga natutunan. So, this supplementary learning module, SLIM, focuses on the parts and functions of the male and female reproductive systems. It provides you self-learning activities that will further develop your understanding on the lesson. So, ibig sabihin dyan, class, ang modules na ito, no, ay magbibigay sa inyo ng self-learning activities na upang madagdagan ang inyong mga kaalaman tungkol sa paksa or sa ating aralin ng science. Tulad ng dati, first quarter, tinatagalog ko po, kaya po binuo ko itong video upang may paliwanag sa inyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga magulang na medyo hindi gaanong nakakasabay pagdating sa English. So kaya ko tinatagalog to. Ito yung purpose ng video natin. Maipaunawa sa mga estudyante at sa mga magulang ang nilalaman ng module. Okay, MELC. Ibig sabihin ng MELC, most essential learning competencies. So describe the parts of the reproductive system and their functions. O mailarawan natin kung ano ang mga bahagi ng reproductive system at ang kanilang mga functions o yung kanilang mga gawain. Number 1, describe and identify the parts and functions of the male and female reproductive system. Number 2, tabulate the parts of both the male and the female reproductive system and their functions. So, i-describe, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, mailarawan at makilala ang mga bahagi ng mga male at saka female reproductive system. Okay, so number 2, tabulate the parts of both the male and female reproductive system and their functions. So, maitala natin, no? Maitabulate natin, no, ang mga parts ng male and female reproductive system at ang kanilang mga functions o gawain, tungkulin. So, pre-test, direction. Read each item carefully. Write the letter of the best answer on the space provided before each number. So, may mga katanungan dyan, class, 1 to 10. So, yan ay pauna pa lang, no? Pre-test, paunang ano sa inyo kung kayo ay may kaalaman na tungkol sa mga parts at functions ng reproductive system ng babae at ng lalaki. Okay, so number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hanggang 10 po yan, class, no? So, sagutan ninyo yan. Follow the instructions. Okay. Lipat tayo sa page 3, pangatlong pahina. Okay, so directions. Arrange the following based on the level of organizations of an organism. Write it on the space provided in the pyramid starting with the smallest on each base. Okay, so tissue, system, cell, and organ. Brief introduction. So, have you ever wondered how organisms reproduce and how everything around you grows and develop? In this lesson, you will learn what parts of the body enable humans to reproduce. Pag sinabi natin reproduce plus, ito yung reproductive system. Ang tao, nakakagawa ng tao, no, sa pamagitan ng 6 organ or male reproductive system. So, ganun din po sa babae. So, ano ba yung male reproductive system? Okay, so the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is consists of the following organs: testes, vas deferens, accessory glands, and penis. Its main function is to produce sperm cells and hormones needed in the development of secondary male characteristics. The oval-shaped organs contained in the scrotum are testes, which produce billions of sperm cells. The scrotum is a sac-like skin that protects the testes. The testes are connected to the vas deferens via epididymis. The vas deferens carries the matured sperm to the accessory ducts for nourishing. When the sperm cells reach the accessory duct, it's coated with white secretion. The sperm cells and the secretions together are called semen. The semen travels in the penis to the urethra. The penis is the elongated muscular organ full of blood vessels and sensitive nerves. It is the main organ that transfers sperm cells into the vagina. So, tingnan nyo yung pictures dyan, class, no? So, dyan makikita ninyo kung alin yung scrotum, alin dyan yung testes or testicle, alin dyan yung urethra, asan dyan yung prostate gland, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, bladder, and ureter. So, those are the parts of the male reproductive system. So, each parts has its functions tulad nung nabanggit. Okay? Ang testes, class, no, ito yung pinaka dalawang bilog, no, dyan sa lalaki, no. Tawag natin Filipino language ay yan tinatawag natin itlog, no, ng lalaki. Okay, next is the female reproductive system. Okay, the female reproductive system consists of the following organs: ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina. Its main function is to produce egg cells and hormones needed in the development of secondary female characteristics. The ovaries are oblong-shaped organs located on both sides of the uterus. Its main function is to produce mature egg cells that are released every month. The released egg cell travels through the thin, soft tubes extending from the uterus to the ovaries called fallopian tubes. No? Reproductive system ng babae ay binubuo ng mga organs tulad ng ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina. So its main function is to produce mature egg cells that are released every month. So, ang trabaho ng ovaries, class, siya yung nagpo-produce, siya yung naglalabas ng mga itlog ng babae, ng female. No? Yung mga nilabas ng mga itlog ng babae, egg cells, babiyahe ito, it will travels. So, sa pamagitan ng isang manipis at malambot na tubes, natin dyan, class, ay fallopian tubes. So, fallopian tubes ang tawag natin doon. Okay, the uterus is a hollow muscular pear-shaped organ that receive the matured or fertilized egg cells. It also nourishes the development embryo. The lower portion of uterus, called the cervix, opens into the vagina. Vagina receives the sperm cell from the penis. It is also known as the birth canal. So, ito yung mga functions ng babae, class, no? It nourishes the developing embryo. So, dyan sa uterus na yan, dyan lumalaki, no, nagde-develop ang embryo. Ito yung ang embryo, class, ito yung hindi pa siya talagang buong-buong sanggol, no. So papunta pa lang siya sa pagiging sanggol. So the lower portion of the uterus called the cervix. A cervix, class, ito yung dinadaanan, no, papuntang vagina. Cervix, ito yung nababanat na part ng babae. Ang vagina naman, vagina receives the sperm cell from the penis. It is also known as the birth canal. Okay.